The smallest bird in America weighs less than a penny. Can you imagine a bird smaller than a coin? How is that even possible? Well, I'm gonna tell you all about it right now. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds around the world, and they're all tiny, but especially this one. This is the bee hummingbird, and it's the smallest bird on the planet. These birds are so small that when they fly, they appear as just a tiny dot in the sky. And because they're so light, they can literally weigh less than a penny. These little birds are only about 2 inches long, and they're so light that they can easily float away on a breeze. They have incredibly thin bones, which makes them very light, and their bodies are perfectly adapted for their size. Their metabolism is super fast, which means they need to eat almost constantly in order to survive. They feed on nectar and pollen from flowers, and they're able to hover while they feed, which is pretty amazing. These birds are found in the tropical forests of Central America, and they're usually seen around flowering trees and shrubs. They're solitary creatures, and they're most active during the day. They're diurnal, if you will. Now, you might be wondering why these birds are so small, and it's because they evolved that way. Over millions of years, natural selection favored smaller hummingbirds, and over time, they became the tiniest birds on the planet. But don't be fooled by their size. These little birds are fierce when it comes to defending their territory. They'll chase away any other hummingbirds that come too close, and they'll attack the hummingbird's favorite flowers, and they'll defend it with their lives. So next time you're in the garden and you see a tiny hummingbird hovering around the flowers, remember that it's not just a little bird. It's the smallest bird in the world. Thanks for watching. See you next time.